Good morning. Vlogmas episode 3. Today is raining like hell. It's raining so much. And I need to do some chores. I need to go to town. I didn't go yesterday. And yeah, I can bring you with me if I go anywhere interesting. But first I need to tackle this mess of clean clothes that needs to be folded. That's something that I not necessarily enjoy, but it's part of life. And yeah, today it's just a regular day, and I'll see if I can. I really want to find a tree, a Christmas tree. I want to find a tree that is alive, that I can plant at the house and I can decorate there. Okay, let me just work on this. I'm wearing my fluffy morning cardigan, I called it, because something that I love to throw on in the morning. And it's just a really big, fluffy, imperfect cardigan. It has this folded collar situation, which I don't really know. I don't really know what I did. Then I have a long sleeve shirt saying, "All good things are free, except yarns." But yeah. Really like this one. I've done a picot edging at the bottom hem. I'm not sure I love this, but it's okay. It's my big fluffy cardigan, and it's quite long, so it keeps me very cozy in the cold mornings. Okay, I just put on this beautiful dress. Let me show you. So my mom had this dress and she gave it to me now. And it's a woolly dress. It's made out of wool. And I think I'm gonna have maybe this cardigan. I'm not sure about it. Let me find another cardigan. Yeah, I'm gonna put this cardigan. So this dress has probably like 35 or 40 years old. So it's older than me. And I just love it. It's just not really my color, but I'm fine with that for now. And it has some holes that I need to repair or mend, but we're gonna do it another time. It's very dark and flowy, so you don't really see the holes. But this is the outfit. And I feel it's getting so cold, so I better get moving. I'm going to town. Let me bring you with me. Oh, I forgot. This cardigan is the Felix cardigan. I knitted it 2 years ago now, and it's really nice and cozy. It's quite rustic and fairly cropped, and I used some wooden buttons that I made. Very nice. So let's go. tree. So excited. I got this beautiful fir tree and or pine, always confuse that. I got this beautiful tree and it has roots, so I need to plant it at the new house. So I don't know if I'll plant it today or tomorrow, but I'm very excited. We got the tree! And we got also some local cereals and beans. This is buckwheat and this is like a mix of beans. Exciting! Okay, it's evening. I'm gonna wrap up this episode here and I'm going to cast on something with this one. So I'll cake it up and then I'll update you tomorrow with what I casted on, because I'm still a bit indecisive. But thank you for hanging out with me. I'm so happy we found a Christmas tree. We're gonna plant it and hopefully start decorating it tomorrow.